everyone. Recently I watched Diane from Diane's Designs, and she made a backpack die, and she made a backpack out of a die, and I thought it was so cute from KS Craft, and I went online to get the KS Craft, but I couldn't find it for whatever reason, so I had to get one similar. I got one on Temu, and I made it, and I'm going to make one with you right now. Now this piece actually goes up here. But I kind of liked it to stick in here so you knew that that was like a little pocket. So what I might do is just cut out another one and put it up here and then stick something in here. But for now, I just stuck it in there like that. I could also stick a piece of ephemera, like, since this is Halloween, Leslie from Silver Moon Creations gave me a bunch of stamps. And since this is a Halloween one, like, I could always get this nasty beetle and just stick that in there, and put this at the top. But for now, I'm going to just keep it like that. And that's how it came out. So let's make one together. So I want to thank Diane for her video because it was very inspiring. So this is the base of everything. So I'm just going to fold it like that. And then comes with the piece that you put over here. Now these are just, I went through my Halloween stash and I had 3 papers left from Hobby Lobby. Believe it or not, the Paper Studio had a Halloween paper pack. It was kind of like cutesy Halloween, so I just took the rest of those and I made these, cut them out using that because I knew I wasn't going to use, I've had that pack for a while. And I never see this paper there either. It was just on the Halloween clearance. All of a sudden, there was like a paper pack there. I'm like, what is this? Because they don't usually have Halloween clearance, But they did that particular time. I don't know, it was weird. It was weird. Okay. Well, they have they don't, you know what I'm trying to say. They have some, like, pumpkins and things like that, but, you won't see anything else there. So that was that piece. And then you get the 2 pieces that go over here. So I'll put those down. Okay. Then you have this piece which folds. So I'm going to just glue all these down and stick it on. I just did crazy Halloween ones. The colors are all crazy. I didn't want to do anything serious. I just wanted to try it with, like, little scraps I had, This goes about right here. Hold that down for a minute. That's not working out too well. Always on camera, right, guys? Never when you're making them yourself. But as soon as that camera rolls, then we have all these problems, On the minute here, I'm going to get Wrinkles to help me. But I think it's good. I think I don't need him right now, which don't tell him that. All right. And then we're going to put the piece over here. We're going to get this piece. Hey, you stay there. So we're going to get this piece. This piece goes here. And then the other pieces here go on the outside of it. It's going to go this way, I think. I think it goes that way. Okay. I'm going to get some hot glue. I'm putting the hot glue on. Because this thing is acting up. You know what? Let that heat up a minute. All right. So then, okay. So this piece goes here. This piece goes here. And then I just glued this piece down, which I kind of like this a little bit better than the KS Craft because it has this piece that just hides everything. See, so it just hides everything in the back. And then we're going to put the little zipper on. Now that I'm looking, it does have these little things right there. I got to look at the picture to see if I need those little things. But I'm thinking I don't need them. What do I need those for? I'll put this down. You could put it here. That's how it goes. But, I mean, who cares? I guess you could even put the zipper here if you wanted. Because maybe that zips too. But, you know, that. Or you could put another one here. And maybe one here. You could do whatever you want. Let me see now if this glue is ready. Come on now, don't make a liar out of me. Put that down here, here, here. Okay. Yeah, the glue's probably all dried now. No, this is really upsetting me. I made the other one fine. All right, hold on, guys. Unbelievable. Well, at least it just slides right off, right? All right, let's try this again. Let me fold them a little bit better. This nozzle this glue thing is been acting up too, because I went to put more glue in it and it was falling all over the place, and it's never done that before. And I never needed a funnel before because I just hold the glue up really, like, I just hold this up really high and it just goes right in, even though it's a little thing. Well, not last night. It was giving me a problem. So now I gotta buy some more. And I have a funnel somewhere. It might actually be in my little thing right next to me. I should check in there first. Does that look straight? Let me just hold this a little bit. All right, and then like I said, this goes here at the top. But I'm going to stick it in here. And I can see that this is already giving me a problem. I'm going to just put it in there for now. And I might make some more cutouts and put something at the top. Anyway, that's it all made. So it's really cute. And just in case anyone's interested in making it, I want to thank Diane again for doing the video. It really inspired me to make my own. So I did these Halloween ones, and I'm going to doctor it up, I think, too. I'm going to put some glossy accents on them or sparkle them up. I'm going to do something else. So I'm not quite done with them, but I just wanted to show you this cute die set and how it makes the backpack. So I'm going to keep my hand on here for a minute because it's still acting up. And I'll just keep it like this for a few more minutes. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you all next time. Bye.